Hey guys, it's Teacher Mommy, and today we're going to be talking about how to say we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in Scottish Gaelic. So if you like what you see in here, please go ahead and subscribe to my link below. If you're on Facebook or Instagram, go ahead and open it up into YouTube and then subscribe to my channel, which is all kid-friendly educational videos. Like and leave comments, including your name, so I can say hello. So today's video, I'd like to say hello to Henry and Kenneth, Tracy, Finn, Heather, and Tyler. So how do we say we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in Scottish Gaelic? So if you'd like to push pause and write these down, please feel free. So it's Nollaig, chrìdheil, ulla, Agus, blee-ana, mhath. Nollaig, chrìdheil, ulla, Nollaig, chrìdheil, ulla. Nollaig, chrìdheil, ulla, Agus, blee-ana, mhath. Please send me a message with you singing these. I would love to hear both your pronunciation and your beautiful singing voices. So it goes, Nollaig, chrìdheil, ulla, Nollaig, chrìdheil, ulla, Nollaig, chrìdheil, ulla, Agus, blee-ana, mhath. I wish you the most merriest of Christmases and a very happy new year. I cannot wait to hear both your pronunciation and your singing voices. Again, please send me your videos. Also subscribe to my kid-friendly educational video channel on YouTube. Like and leave comments with your name so I can say hello to you next time. Bye from Teacher Mommy.